home remedy, supports natural energy, and at the same time supports stamina and endurance, and it will help you to support your physical performance. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. Take it 15 minutes before the activity. You'll thank me later. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and of course give a like to this video. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye.